Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by anchoring the bracelet so tension stays consistent. Gather the threads and trim to equal length, leaving 10-15 cm extra for finishing knots. This gives you working room. Once secured to a clipboard or pin, separate the strands in pattern order. This prevents mistakes later. Make sure the anchor point is stable, otherwise knots will slide. From here, you can begin the last woven rows with even tension, so the ending process will be predictable and clean. Once the weaving is complete, stop at a clear edge and plan the finishing method. You can tie the last 4-6 rows in your established pattern, then gather strands into bundles. If you braid, split into 3 equal bundles and braid tightly for durability. If you prefer a slim finish, twist pairs and then wrap them together. Make sure to keep even tension while braiding. Uneven pulls make lumps. When you reach desired length, hold the braid taut and prepare for the final securing knot. You finish by tying a strong double or triple knot right at the braid end. You want a knot that won't slip under wear. Then add a tiny dab of clear craft glue or nail polish to lock fibers. Make sure it won't smear the bracelet. Trim the tails to about 0.51 cm beyond the knot for a neat look, and if you used synthetic thread, briefly melt the tip with heat to seal. If the knot slips, ready tighter or rebraid and secure again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.